What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can enable voice chat in Roblox. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. I'm just going to search for Roblox. The searching for Roblox will bring you roblox.com. Just go to their website. And the Roblox, you simply have to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is what you will be able to see here. Click on this gear icon and then click on settings. Now, in the settings, you'll be able to see these options. Here, you just have to go to this privacy tab. On the privacy tab, you just have to scroll down. As you can see, currently in my case, it is just telling me that you do not have verified your phone number and I do not have any, like a lot of features right here. But in your case, you will be able to see your voice chat option right here if you have verified your phone number. Because if you have not verified using your phone number, you won't be able to do it. But you just have to, verify your phone number. You'll be able to see your voice chat option right here. Just enable it. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.